This shit truly does slap. I'm not high either. I ain't even got the munchies. This shit is banging. You trying to smoke? We trying to smoke? You did a little bit. That's for one blunt. Oh shit! Spilled the Ibisu on the Nike tags. Spilled the motherfucking. I feel like I'm from Africa when I eat this shit. You know what I mean? I feel like going back to my roots. It's a great meal right here. See that? That's pure fufu. You niggas eating that other shit. I'm gonna take a bite of the chicken first and then I'm gonna throw the fufu in there. But I'm getting a little bit of extra of that seasoning, whatever the fuck this is. I'm gonna chew the chicken up, right? Put the chicken on the left cheek. A lot of y'all niggas just be eating, but y'all don't really calculate how y'all supposed to eat. You put it on the left, right? Now I'm finna throw the fufu on the right. Switch it up. You can see where the fufu at. Yeah. A lot of people got different ways of eating it, but that's just how I eat it, so. I'm over here doing YouTube and shit on Instagram. Can't call me a YouTuber. Instagram live rapper. That's what I'm gonna start calling me. He's a fufu eating rapper. There we go. Huh, man. Yo, begging ass. Here, nigga. Bite the shit, nigga. My nails dirty and shit, my bad. You ain't getting on the fufu, they'll bite it. Everybody say yum. After you bit it, comment yum after you bit it. You got a little bite? Okay. Now, I ain't gonna sit there and just eat in front of your face and not give you some. I ain't gonna do that to you. That's rude. Ain't nobody say yum. You ain't fucking with it. Okay. Niggas fucking with it. On some real shit, this shit really just tastes like damn near mashed potatoes down there. They just be naming this shit. Y'all niggas ain't slick in Africa. Y'all niggas be stealing American food and just naming that shit some other shit. But I ain't gonna say shit. Cause I'm on y'all team. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really tripping on America like that. I just live here. I'm from your city. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I know what y'all be on, but I ain't gonna say shit. Y'all niggas for sure be stealing niggas' food. So that's for sure mashed potatoes. I don't give a fuck what nobody said. This is mashed potatoes, my nigga. And it's fire though, but it's, I guess we gonna call it fufu and act like it's nasty. But my mama been cooking this shit for a minute. It's just fire though. That's one of my African